Take my wire strippers and strip off the outside about an inch or so on the black wire and the white wire. And if you want, you can measure this. See, that's 3/4. I need to go a bit further. And I like to go about an inch because, see, I'm going to wrap these around a screw on the side of the plug. See, now I can hold that one up like that. Strip it, hold it up against there. That's good. Let's see what that is. About an inch, I think. Yeah. Okay. That's what you want so far. Because this is an easy one, we only have this amount of power wires because the power is coming from the box down below and it's just coming up here and feeding this. So that's why we only got one set of wires up here. We've got 2 screws on the right side, 2 screws on the left side. I'm going to screw one of those in because I only need one of those. And so I'll get the other one in. I don't like having those stick out inside the box. I realize the box is a plastic box, but it's just a habit that I get into. See, because I'm going to use these screws, that's why I stripped this back as far as I did. Because now I'm going to put a little curly Q in the white wire and a curly Q on the black wire so I can fish them over these screws. Now there are holes in the back side, but I don't like using those because they could get loose later on down the road. So I always like to be nice and secure with the side screws. Okay, there's a hole in here in my wire strippers, those top hole and the bottom hole. I'm just going to put that in here like that, stick the wire out maybe 3/16 or so and bend it up and let it out like that. Okay, something like that. Like if you think you went too far, you can kind of pull it back a little bit. Try to see if I can do this one a little better. See there, that one's better than this one. I don't do this every day, but it'll work. Oh, I guess I got to do the ground wire too, don't I? Because there's a ground screw on there too. Stick it through the hole, 3/16 and roll it up and out. Okay. Now the white wire is the neutral wire. That always goes on the left side. The left side has a notch, is bigger than the right hand side. It's also got a silver screw on the left hand side. So we're going to take this, because I'm right-handed, I'm just going to slide it over like that. Put a little kicker in here, just a hair. I can slip it over the screw. Make sure these screws are unscrewed all the way. Usually from the store they are. And I'm going to put it on sideways. That. And I'm going to roll it over because I want the wire to come out of the back. And I can take my strippers and pinch that together like that. Okay? Now I can tighten that side up. See, right now the plug is upside down, but I don't really care about that. All I care about is getting this screw tight. There, that. Now I can take that and I can roll that up like that. Okay? Now I'm ready for the black side.